on my first in honor of my first stop motion video ever, I'm making a layout of all the characters and all the items. Now, believe it or not, I only used all this. Now, this guy is one of the guys, one of the people, some clothes that I would make the people switch to. Person. Now, I only use 2 base plates, and this and that. Now, we have the rocket launcher. It doesn't look like a rocket launcher, that looks more like a machine gun for like a speeder. But, you know, this is a ballistic knife. Alright. This is just like a 2-bladed knife that I had. It's actually a wrench. And these are some binoculars. This is a grenade. This is another grenade. If you're wondering what this is a pistol with a grenade launcher on it. This was an MP 40, I think. Yeah, MP40. This is a Python. You had like the double Python, and you had the Claymore. The Claymore looks really hilarious. It looks dopey almost. So I'm gonna make a short skit of the most awesome this guy in Domination. I mean, in Free For All. So, alright, look forward to that, and never wet your pants. That's not fun. Peace. Subscribe, rate this video a thumbs up, and make this video get popular.